Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get refund on Etihad Airways. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I have done right here. So how do you create an account on Etihad Airways? Launch in a browser of your choice, locate the search bar. Now in the search bar type etihad.com. That's going to take you into the official website for Etihad. Once again, to the official website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad Airways. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to get refund on Etihad Airways. Here is how to do that. So the first thing you like to do is to choose any of these options, which include request a refund online and speak to us or contact a travel agent. So the quickest way to request a refund is to visit etihad.com and head over to manage. So this is etihad.com, so head over to manage. And once you head over to manage, go ahead and click on view or change booking. Now once you do that, you will need to enter your flight details. That's enter your booking details. Go ahead and click on your booking details. So here I have a booking that is in process. That's why you have this find another booking option here. All right, but then it says no upcoming trips found. So just go ahead and click on find another booking and enter your booking details. Now once you do that, go ahead and click on cancel/refund right next to your booking. Now after doing that, that's going to be it. Just follow through with the on-screen prompts to cancel and request a refund. The next step is to speak with Etihad Airways. So use the live chat option, all right, to request a refund. And if you need more help, they'll connect you with a member of your team and service charges may apply. Or you can contact a travel agent. So if you booked your flight with a travel agent or other third party, we recommend speaking to them to request a refund. So head over here, go ahead and look for your booking. Once you enter your booking details, click on cancel/refund right next to your booking and follow through with the prompt to request a booking, or just go ahead and click on help, head over to help and follow through with the process to reach out to the team and letting them know that you want to cancel your booking and request a refund. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.